This is the Observer Kalman Filter Interactive Calculator, which computes optimal state estimation gains for control systems. The calculator has 6 calculation modes available in the drop-down menu: Steady-State Kalman Gain for continuous time, Discrete-Time Kalman Gain, Innovation Covariance, Error Covariance Evolution, Observability Analysis, and Optimal Observer Pole Placement. For this demonstration, I'm using Steady-State Kalman Gain mode. The main input fields are Process Noise Intensity Q with variance, set to 0.1, Measurement Noise R with variance at 1.0, System Dynamics A at 1.0, and Measurement Matrix H also at 1.0. Let me walk through a calculation. With these inputs, the calculator determines the steady-state Kalman gain that minimizes estimation error. The output shows the optimal gain value, which represents how much weight to give new measurements versus predictions. It also displays the steady-state error covariance, indicating the expected estimation accuracy. The condition number reveals numerical stability of the solution. These results help engineers design observers that balance measurement noise rejection with rapid state tracking, essential for robust control system implementation. Find the link in the description below.